Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sparkle and Glue. I hope everybody's doing good. I saw a reel on Facebook when I was just scrolling, and I thought I had to try it. So it's really easy, 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, and you're just gonna go ahead and score at 4 and at 8, and turn it once, and go ahead and score again at 4 and 8. Okay, and now what we want to do here, let me show you what we're making. So it opens like this, and here, and here. And you have pockets, tons of little pockets, places to put things. I cut these out with a stamp, and I ended up, I just glued the, I guess it's called the negative part, on, and it actually is kind of cute. And I didn't really do it in any certain pattern. I just, anyway, well, let's go ahead and do this one. All right, so we're going to go ahead, and you're just going to line up on the bottom, the corner to the score line, and go ahead and make a line. And then I'm going to do the same on the opposite. So just the score line to the corner. All right, and then you're going to get your scissor, and first you're going to cut out the 2 top squares. And from these squares you're going to get to make tags or extra pockets or just whatever you want for your little fold. Cut along your pencil mark. And you don't want to cut past the score lines. And if you can cut a straight line, you don't need to do the pencil mark. I don't. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to fold in both of these, and we're going to glue them. And you're going to get a crisscross pocket, and you're going to fold up these sides, and you're going to make little pockets here, and then these are going to fold in and up and over. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue. So just put a little glue just at the very bottom. I'm just doing a bead of glue. First. And go ahead and push down. And if it's not lining up, just go ahead and fold it so it does line up for you. Okay. And for the top, what I'm going to just cut a piece of this off. I'll bring back my cutter. And I'm not really measuring. I'm just going to take off maybe, let's see what I did. A little over 1.5. And I'm going to make a pocket. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm taking my circle punch, and I'm going to go ahead and just notch out a piece. Okay. And then I'm going to glue this right here. Just make a little pocket. So I'm going to put glue on the sides and the very bottom. And then just glue it down. And if it's going over your score lines, just push it in a little, and it'll give the pocket a little more room anyway, and then it won't go over your score lines. You could trim it too, but I think it's okay. And just go ahead and these score lines, push them down. And this guy. And I'm going to round the corners on the top pocket. Well, not pocket, flap, I guess it's. I still have glue all over me to get a little. Okay. So you do all kinds of fun things. I have these 3 stamps here that I just got, and they're little flowers, and so I'm going to punch a few of those out. And maybe do a smaller size. Okay. And then we can do that. This, I think I am going to make a corner pocket on the outside. So I'm going to bring back the score cutting board. I'm just going to line it up on the 2 angles, here and here. And go ahead and cut. Okay. And I am just going to put pockets on the outside here, like this. And really, you can do anything you want with this. You don't have to do these pockets. You can make tags, you can make other pockets. But you have those 2 big squares that are extra pieces for you. So, just putting glue on the corners. And give this a chance to dry. And since I folded this a little bit in here, maybe we can add a little flour so you can't see it so much. So I'll just put some glue on that. Maybe we'll put a flower here. Maybe a little flower there would be pretty. And I'll flip the little one over and put it on. And this can go here, and maybe a little breathe there. Love is in the air. Oh, these little tags, I'll put them in here and here. And I think these were little tags. I did a video where we decorated them, but I gave the tags away. So I'll link that below in case you want to download these tags. They come in bigger sizes too, and you can decorate them however you want. And that goes into your little circle. And I don't know, maybe a little flower on top of it would be pretty. That's kind of cute, right? And And then Adventure is out there. Maybe I'll just glue that on the back. I think that's pretty. What's nice about this is you can actually just address this and mail it. Little happy mail. And you can just make sure you seal it up well if you do put it in the mail without an envelope, because this won't make it. But here you go. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. So it flips open this way and more, and pockets down here. And you can add more things, just as much as you want to this. I just thought it was really fun with a one piece of 12 by 12 cardstock, and you could kind of go crazy. And this, we still have things we could use, and I could have made better use out of it and made a tag and then stamp, you know, but I think the idea is there. So go ahead. I hope you make one of these and have fun, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Keep sparkling. Bye-bye.